Out of the 1,000 amazing things that brand Adya has, let me show you one of them. Ma'am, please.
Here you go. So you wear this as a earring and then put it here as a bukri and clip on, and look how beautiful it looks.
It looks amazing. I have gone personally crazy because this has some amazing collection. I'm at Beige the Gallery and there are only two brands. One is brand Adya. They have some really cool 9 to 5 jewelry, and another is the brand Chapa. Chapa, you will get block printed sustainable fabrics. You don't want to miss this because it's a one-day exhibition. Guys, swipe left quickly to know the collection. So what is this design, ma'am? This is so cool.
This is a beautiful flower called bakul, and have a look at this. This is how it falls on the floor, and that's how we've designed the earrings. So
Lovely.
we have a lot of floral earrings, a lot of flora, fauna, a lot of traditional designs. But what stands out is that we have everything available in all finishes. There is shiny silver, there is oxidized silver, there is gold plating, and that makes it very, very universal because a lot of people like to wear different
finishes. I love it, and I can see the variety on this stall. Look at your beautiful nuts. Can you show one?
Yes, this is a beautiful collection that we have. India's largest collection of nuts. We have more than 80 of them.
Amazing.
And the best part is it is for people who do not have piercing also.
Acha.
So people who have piercing and who do not have piercing, we create a lot of nuts.
Right.
I would also like to just quickly highlight this beautiful pendant. Have a look at the deer pendant. This is from the Safari collection.
My God.
So beautiful.
We love the collection from this brand called Adya. They are on their India tour and they are in Ahmedabad. So Ahmedabad, please do.
Please come and visit us at Beige Art Gallery.
The second brand is Chapa, and they are into sustainable fabrics, amazing block prints. You can see the vibe of this video. Hello, ma'am. I love what you're wearing, and I can see we have a lot of sari options. So let's start with that.
Okay, so we have our mull cotton sarees.
Okay.
So these are comfortable, these are breathable.
Lovely.
And we also have Kota Doria.
I love it. And look at the prints. It's very fun. This is like cars, and I've seen dogs and whatnot. Like there are elephants. The prints are really very funky and cool.
Yeah, and we use traditional hand block printing. Every fabric is organic, and we are a sustainable brand.
Okay.
And we also use all the colorful sarees you see. These are all azo-free dyes we have used, so which is going to be skin friendly. It's going to be friendly for artisan skin also.
Lovely. And then we have some really cool bright colors also for your occasions. Look how interesting this is. This is actually a nut, but it can also be worn as a brooch. Chana cool. Look at this one. Hamno collection really very unique. This is just a glimpse that I'm showing you. Look at this. Look at this beautiful malas. Check these out. These are very lightweight. We have some Mangal Sutras as well. Some really beautiful neck pieces, which you will absolutely love. Everything is certified. So yeah, do visit Beige the Gallery. Amazing vibe and only two brands. You will love the collection. Just to show you the glimpse, this is happening at Beige the Gallery. It's a one-day exhibition, Serendipity, by brand Adya. They are doing their India tour, and we have one more brand here called Chapa. They are known for their block prints, short kaftans chhe, apne paase kurtis chhe. We have some amazing saris, mull cotton, khadi, whatever you name it, they have it, and you're going to really love the collection. The price range is also quite reasonable. And then we have this brand called Adya, and this is their premium silver jewelry, 9 to 5 certified. Look at this. You know what this is? This is this. Not just that, they have some really cool nuts also. So yeah, keep swiping left. I will show you the glimpse of the entire collection. But remember, it's only a one-day exhibition. This is their hot selling piece, and I absolutely love it. Look at that.
This is so hot selling, even Vidya Balan wore it.
Oh wow! Vidya Balan also wore it, and this is their entire range of sari collection. Then we have some beautiful tops and kurti sets. Look at this.
And this kurta sets with us
Hmm.
in amazing, cute, fun prints.
Yes. Then we have something like this. Love that. And then we have some short kaftans with amazing prints. I think if you're in love with block printing, you are going to really love their collection. And look at the funky prints they have. Every piece has some unique design. So do visit Beige Gallery and the collection will not disappoint you at all. They also have some really cool bags like these, very affordable, $390, very lightweight, and like she said, it's sustainable. Gifting purpose Matabi, you can definitely use it.
Hello Ahmedabad, this is House of Adya and we are a 92.5 silver jewelry homegrown brand. Everything created, designed, manufactured in-house, and this is all our signature collection. Some of it is also IP'd. We have a copyright of all these from Government of India. And
Lovely.
we make really beautiful handmade pieces.
Okay.
And there are more than 3,000 designs that we have at House of Adya, all in 92.5 silver.
I love the variety. Can you talk about this one?
Yeah, sure. This earring is called No Strings Attached. Even though it looks statement and big, look at how dainty
How
this is.
subtle it is.
Yes.
Lovely. Okay. And then we have this amazing.
This is a beautiful 15th century saz. This is called a necklace, which is revived by House of Adya.
I love
Look
it.
At this is a Bejur inspired earring, and this is how it fits on your ear. It's really
So
beautiful.
pretty.
This
Love
is
that.
Ghungroo Bejur.
Some amazing Chandbali. I love it. And look at
And
this
have a
one.
look at this Jasmine Gajra, which is integral part of our Indian functions. So you could just wear it on your hair like this.
And
It
we
looks
have the
so
portrayal.
beautiful. Have a look at this.
Amazing.